Hello everybody, welcome to a new playlist. Wednesday, Fakeaway. Every Wednesday I'm going to do a Fakeaway takeaway. I think it'd be quite interesting. I've had a few people ask me to start doing some fakeaways. So I'm going to do it every Wednesday. I think it'd be quite interesting. I'll do it on a Wednesday because then maybe if you want it, and you want it for a weekend, you can get the ingredients in when you go shopping. So I've prepared everything. Let me show you what we're going to do. Right, this is everything I've got. So I've prepared everything. So I've got myself one large onion, just sliced up, one green pepper, one red pepper, thinly sliced. I want a handful of broccoli. I've got a handful of sweet corn. I did get 3 chicken breasts because I've counted it as one chicken breast per person. I've just diced all them up. 200 gram of mushroom, full punnet full. I've got some of these. I've never had these rice noodles before. I haven't told you what I'm doing, have I? I'm doing a chicken and mushroom noodle stir fry. That's what I'm doing. Forgot to tell you. 2 garlic cloves, a bit of ginger, a stock cube, 250 ml of water to put the stock in, a bit of black pepper, some white wine vinegar. I wanted rice vinegar but I didn't have any, so I got white wine vinegar, and I'll probably put a little bit of sugar in there just to sweeten it up a little bit. Some oyster sauce. I bought a big one because I'm going to be doing these fakeaways. Then I might as well have it in the cupboard. And a bit of soy sauce. So I'm quite looking forward to this. As I say, these noodles I've never had before. I got them from Tesco. £2.30 I think. Quite a big bag early as well. Naturally gluten free. 5ml. Quite simple to cook. Place the noodles in a pan of boiling water, cook for 5 minutes. Transfer to a bowl of cold water for 5 seconds. Drain. Done. So, let's get started. First thing I'm doing, I'm going to get my wok on. If you haven't got a wok, you can use a frying pan. I'm going to put it on medium heat. I want some one spray or some oil, whichever one you want. I'm using the one spray. Bit of that in the bottom. Quite simple, this one. Hopefully it's going to taste quite nice. Right, that's steamed up. Starting to get a bit hot. So I'm going to get my peppers and my onions in. It's all going in virtually together really, a lot of it. I want to get my chicken in. I want to get my broccoli in. And I want to get my ginger and my garlic in. Now we're going to fry that for about 4 or 5 minutes first. Now I've put loads of broccoli in because I've got to start getting some veggies in my food, man. Because I haven't really been having a lot of veggies lately, so you ain't got to put it all in if you don't want to, but I am, to get my veggies inside me. Because I'm feeling a bit lethargic. Well, that's been doing about 4 minutes now, 4 or 5 minutes. Loads of veg in there, look. Want to get my mushrooms in. Get them in. Full pot here, look at this. And me sweet corn. Now we're going to give that another few minutes now. I know it's full, but it'll wilt down, don't worry. Now I'm going to get myself some black pepper on. Get it on there. Give it a mix. I've got a bit of a cold as well. I think that's probably one of it's lethargic. Again, everything's falling, look. So once we get all the juices in, then we want it to simmer for about 15 minutes then. Oh, get that in there. Fell out. I want another one. Now I want 4 tablespoons of Worcester sauce. Soy sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. I've never had this oyster sauce before. If I can get it, it's quite thick, this one, proper Chinese one. This was only cheap and all. Very thick, look. That was only £2.30 I think as well from Tesco. That's 2 of them. 2 tablespoons of wine vinegar or rice vinegar if you can get it. Just give that a quick mix. Oh yes, it's smelling nice now. Oh yes. Then get your, I've got beef stock pot, 250ml. I'm going to get that in. And now we're going to simmer that down now till that becomes a thick sauce. About 10-15 minutes. Then we're going to be ready to go nearly. Right, got a pot of boiling water ready. I'm going to get my pot, my rice noodles in now, my rice sticks, if I can. That's some there. You haven't seen them before. Want a couple of bunches of them in. Gets everywhere. There we go. Bit too much there. And they got to be 5 minutes. The stir fry's done. It's a little bit watery. I'll probably put 100ml of stock in instead of 250. Rice noodles are done. I'm going to drain them off. Straight into cold water. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drain them back out. And we're done. Time to dish up. I've got myself some takeaway tubs. There we go. Because I'm having a Fakeaway takeaway. Noodles looking quite nice. You can see them. Let's get it in. Oh yes. Could have done a few more noodles, but I didn't know how much they'd expand in that, but never mind. Up. There's the noodles. I'll know how to use them for next time. So it's a bit runny, this. Bit more meat and some juice. Couple of veggies. Oops. Oh yes. There's loads here, absolute loads. There we go. Fakeaway takeaway. Shame about the juice. Lid on. Oh yes, look at that. Obviously it's not going to be as good as a proper Chinese, is it? We all know that. But it smells delicious. There we go. Now your Uber Eats is ready. Oh, right, I'm up the table. I've had a couple of people say I'm sitting up the table lately. It's winter. Our kitchen is really, really dark. We've got to sit by a light source out the back because the front is really dark. Even with my lighting, it looks terrible. So I have to move. But anyway, let me show you. There's Nat's not coming on. She's not. Does it look nice?
Yeah, it smells nice.
Smells nice.
Yeah.
No, that's the winter's playing. That's back up, so she's not coming on. She's just having a lounge. What's it taste like?
Yum.
It tastes yum.
Excuse me.
So for mine.
I like that. What are these, sorry?
It's rice sticks or rice, whatever they're called, rice noodles or whatever. Never had them before. Yeah, it's a bit plain on the colour. Could have been a bit more colourful, couldn't it?
Yeah, but it's colourful, look.
Oh yeah, you got colour, ain't you? I ain't got colour.
Yeah, but...
Mind you, might be underneath mine,
Might be
yeah,
underneath.
might be. It's amazing. You enjoying that? Is it nice? Done it in a little bowl because it's a Fakeaway takeaway. Wednesday night. Fakeaway, your takeaway. The broccoli, I could have done with the broccoli a bit green. Now I should have put that broccoli in when I put the, instead of putting it in first, shouldn't I? But I'll learn as I go. Ooh. Oh yeah. Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
You stuck in Bab?
Yeah.
You like getting in stuck? Oh yes. Let's try the chicken with a bit of juice. There's loads more juice up there if you want, because I know you like a lot of juice. There's a chicken.
Just what I needed today.
Oh, that's lovely and tender, isn't it? That chicken as well.
The further you go down...
Yeah, the further you go down, the nicer it is, isn't it?
The tastier
Yeah.
it gets. I'm going to mix mine in, actually.
Try some of these noodles. I've never tried these noodles before.
They're nice,
These
but
rice sticks.
better really mix them all in.
Yeah, I wanted to keep it separate just to see what it was.
just
Just to show, like, yeah.
Sorry.
Can't get them, look. Bit, should have spread them out, really. Should have fingered them. Bit clumped together a little bit, look. Mine are. Yours ain't, mine is.
I've mixed mine up, though.
Need the cloth. Oh, they're nice, them noodles, aren't they? Oh, yeah, you get right stuck in your mouth. Nice, sweetheart. Huh?
Good job you're not
It's good job you're not on camera. It's nice. Get it down the neck. Bless her. She's nice, isn't it, that?
I need something like this today.
Well, there we go.
It's lovely.
Fake away your takeaway. No, I've got no peppers here. I didn't put any peppers in my one. That's why I've got one. Got one pepper.
I've got a few.
There's loads left in there. There's probably another 4 in there, 3 or 4. Great. Getting more stuck into this. Them noodles are nice and all, aren't they? Gluten free as well, them noodles.
Oh, I was going to say they're not heavy. They're really nice and light.
Well, there you go. Fake away. I'm sorry I'm not talking. I'm too busy eating. It's lovely. Bless you.
I need to finish mine.
It's all gone, hers. They're only small containers though, aren't they? Good enough for a portion, ain't it? Well, as I say, I'm going to go and eat it now before it goes cold. I am the old food guy. Don't forget, Wednesday night is going to be Fakeaways. If you've got any Fakeaways you want me to try, email it to me. I'll put the link here, wherever it is. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Yum, yum. Well, nice. And that's finished, hers. She's licking the bowl.
I was drinking the juice.
That nice.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.